That was way too late, but okay. Awesome. Oh, and I can't do that.
Are you sure? Oh, you haven't created any media yet.
What?
As soon as I get my soul back, I'm gonna get off. I don't even think I'm going the right way.
I don't know why game capture doesn't capture the game. It's kind of freaking annoying.
It's for like 2 hours, bro.
I flipped it.
What?
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 What? I don't.
From 50?
51. What the?
Screw off. You suck. I hate you.
I hit myself.
I was about to say new hardest, but you suck even more and you beat other level.
You blew
my sick balls.
Can't even play right now because it just
Well, okay,
don't know
that.
how to get.
What? The
I don't
heck?
know how to get Radeon.
Do I have no clip on?
If I just run through this, I
Thank
should be
goodness.
fine, right?
I don't.
Oh.
I don't have no clip on. Okay, I did it.
Stop hacking.
How?
You suck. You literally beat that in under 6K, right?
7.9k plus the crackers, which won't have that much. Yeah, 31. Wait,
You have a lot of old attempts, don't you?
No.
No?
No. Because I grinded it for like the past few days. Alright, time to get my calculator out. I haven't done this in a long time. Oh yeah, I'll spam the chat
Coffee
first.
was like a loser.
Actually, no, I count my attempts.
Rented egg, oh. It wasn't important.
Alright, hey Siri. What is 7,000? Hold up, it's not picking me up. What is
Siri would be like,
7,000?
What is 7,000, bro? I don't know. Never heard of it.
Siri, what is 7,920 plus 31 plus 2
There's a bench over here.
plus 91? It didn't even pick all of that up.
Bro, just get out a calculator.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. That's an alternate plan.
Oh.
31 plus 2.
Rancid egg.
91 plus whatever's in the actual level. Black. 7, 9, 20. 8,044 attempts.
Why is it so big?
Oh, bah.
That's not
Okay.
funny. Don't laugh.
Good. Bye.